Welcome to Contemporary Challenges for Information Technology Managers. This video covers about effective project management. Like in effective project management, it's depending on the organizations. Like what's the size of your organizations, you have to choose the manager. And manager also can understand like what are the project's problems, issue, what are the changes in a project. That depends on they everything know by the managers. There are the different tips of the project management, like find a mentor. It is a good idea for first time project managers to find someone who can guide them through the process. Get the right tool and software. There is a large selection of project management software and tools designed to aid the manager who must complete a project. Software suites can be a bit pricey, but there are several open source options such as Task, Project. They are worth checking out. Clarify the details of the project. Managers should be aware of what the project is supposed to accomplish and what the time frame is forced to project completions and what the project budget will be need. The project management lingo, this is called a project scope. Set a schedule for project completion. Managers should schedule each part of the project so they can easily monitor to project team's progress as it works towards the project completion. Delegate job responsibility among project team members. Like if there is a team of people assigned to complete the project, then all members should be clear about their design, task, and they should be updated regularly throughout the project schedule. Create a method for monitoring project progress. Aside from regular meetings with team members, the project manager is responsible for ensuring that supervisor and clients are kept well informed about the project progress. This means that project manager must devise a way to assess progress and efficiency. Be sure to document project information. Producing clear documentation as the project progress help to ensure that all parties involved are clear about the project goals and time frame for the project completion, the task and agenda and the budget. The manager should also record the project assessment and monitoring progress as well as any problem encounter or any changes made along the way. There are different advantages of the project management, like planning, project work plan, project management procedure, managing scope, managing risk. First is planning. Plan the work by utilizing a project definitions document, like what are the time required to complete the project, what is the fund they need to complete the project. Project work plan. Create a planning horizon. Project management procedure constraint, like define project management procedure upfront, manage the work plan and monitor to schedule and budget. Look for warning signs. Manage scope. Ensure that the sponsor approves scope changes request. Guard against scope creep. The last is Managing risk. Identify risk upfront. What are the risks in besides the project? Continue to assess risk throughout the project and resolve the issue as quickly as possible. The role of the project manager at the end of the project. After the completion of the project, manager have a responsibility to check everything like project is alright or not. Project manager should have like finalize testing, finalize training. After the completion of the project, manager have to test project, validate deliverables like they got from the project, so they can deliver the right things, get a project sign off, release the team, analyze actual plan, archive documentation. They can provide documentation, what are the project, what is the project is about, ensure contract closure, conduct a post-mortem meetings, and perform as self-assessment. Thanks.